You can do coconut. I just like... Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm Veggie Rolls. Welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to go ahead and click on that subscribe button. It looks like this, and the little notification bell next to it so that you will be notified every time a new video goes up, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and sweet Saturday. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a kind of like a twist to a ceviche. It's a vegan ceviche, and it's going to have tons of different veggies and some fruit snuck in there. It's going to be absolutely delicious. So let's get veggie. All right, guys, so let's get right into it. I'm going to show you guys all of the veggies that I cut up so you know everything that's going in. All right, so here we have all the stuff that's going in. We have one medium onion. You can use red onion, which I prefer in this recipe, but I'm using regular yellow onion. One avocado, one mango, a handful of cilantro, one medium yellow bell pepper, one medium red bell pepper, just for color. You can use whichever color you like. And I also have 2 slicing tomatoes, sliced up or diced up. I'm using slicing tomatoes because these are less watery. And if you're using any other tomatoes that have a lot of seeds, just remove the seeds. I'm also using 1 can of corn. We also have 1 zucchini sliced up or cubed. And we also have 1 can of palm hearts. This is what it looks like fresh out of the can. But you want to chop these up. I'm using this huge roasting pot or roasting pan because this is a very big batch. You can make half of this, but this is the way I like to make this because I absolutely love, I love this stuff, and I can keep it in my fridge for like 2 to 3 days. And I'll be eating this on tostadas, just like the whole time. So you toss everything in. Everything is going in. We're also adding in our can of corn and the juice of 1 lemon. And then half of the juice of 1 orange. I'm also going to be sprinkling on some pepper. I'm using rainbow pepper. This is like the melody grinder, like peppercorn melody. I like to call it rainbow because it's really nice and colorful, but you can use any kind of pepper. I'm just doing that. I'm doing this because I just think it adds some cuteness to this. Salt and pepper is to taste. You're also going to add some salt. You could do lime instead of lemon if you like. And then we're just going to mix this thing together. So beautiful, so colorful. And it smells so fresh. I like to make this when we go to the beach. I like to have this on some tostadas. And we also have it with like some extra guacamole on the base of the tostada, or some refried beans, and this on top. All right, guys, so you know what time it is. It's time for the taste test cam. I'm just gonna go straight into the pot for a taste. And yeah, here we go. Oh yeah. Absolutely delicious. So good. You could add, like I said, lime juice instead of lemon. I love it with both. I'm just showing you guys one way. Also, you can do coconut instead of palm hearts if you have those available. And if you would like some coconut into your ceviche. I don't like too much sweet in my ceviche. I think that the citrus juice and the the mango is enough sweet in this, and it makes it really good. It's a good balance. You could also make this without the palm hearts completely. A lot of times I make it without the palm hearts at all. You guys have to try this out and let me know what you guys think. It's super duper good. Super fresh, perfect for spring. Funny thing is, today as I'm filming this is the first day of spring, and it's snowing outside here in Philly. So yeah, go figure. Try this out and let me know what you guys think. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video so other people can see how delicious vegan food could be. Also, don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you make this recipe or any of my other recipes. #Let'sGetVeggie, #VeggieRolls. And yeah, we'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.